Hey there, sports fans. With winter sports wrapping up, it's that time of year where we move into the spring sports season. From volleyball to soccer to martial arts and golf, we've got you covered with everything you need to commemorate the season or add some personal swag to your game. We're talking Polar Camels, stunning sport championship rings, and golf supplies that are sure to impress, but no promises on improving that swing. We're also going to walk you through creating a one-of-a-kind basketball award plaque that's sure to be a slam dunk at any award ceremony or tournament. Whether your customers are gearing up to celebrate the athletes in their life, or if you just love getting crafty, you're in the right place. Let's get started by exploring some of the spring sports items available from JDS. First up, we have our Polar Camel sports tumblers. Currently coming in 6 different sports, these tumblers are wrapped with different sport ball textures exclusive to JDS and are perfect for the team logos, memorabilia, or even awards for the players. As always, JDS offers a wide variety of traditional awards for the players, including resins, metals, and trophy parts from the hex nut to an assortment of trophy toppers. This is just a small selection of sports offering available from JDS. To view more sports items, be sure to check out our sports catalog. The physical catalogs are available to order, or there is a link to the digital version in the video description below. Now let's move on to our project for the day, a unique basketball award plaque. Mixing a traditional plaque in our exclusive basketball leatherette sheet stock can make for a super unique award for those end of the year banquets, career high points, or maybe that inspiring coach of the year. This basketball textured laserable leatherette now comes in our standard sheet stock in both adhesive and non-adhesive sheets. Instead of the standard rectangle metal plate and plaque, I'm combining the LLA 121 and the circular alder plaque ACP 060. A few minutes in the laser and I can simply peel and stick my leatherette directly to my wood plaque. Whether you're recognizing excellence on the field, on the court, or in your community, JDS has got you covered like the full court press. Don't forget to check out our website for more information on these items and many more. If you have any questions, give us a call at the number below. And until next time, keep playing and keep creating.